Here we are, we just tripped over out having a casual fish, we just tripped over a gang of fucking powerboats. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh fuck! We just got owned! Did you see that coming? Holy shit! Oh, I hope my phone still works up. I'm glad I just finished my filled roll. Oh shit!